Hello, my name is Jeremy Ramos, and I'm going to discuss Module 2, Critical System. Critical system failure means any dangerous system behavior, not just failing to meet a specification. Critical system. Ang critical system ay isang uri ng computer system na mahalaga para sa operasyon ng isang negosyo, organisasyon o lipunan. Ang mga sistema na ito ay mahawak ng mga gawain na kapag na-disrupt ay maaaring magdulot ng malaking epekto tulad ng panganib or sa kalusugan o pagkasira ng serbisyo. Mga halimbawa nito ay ang mga system na ginagamit sa healthcare, transportasyon, and sa bangko. Critical system before computers. Critical system before computers refers to essential systems that were manually or mechanically operated by and played a crucial roles in various sectors like airplanes, manual flight system, uh, bridge structural integrity as critical factor, ships navigation system reliant on human expertise. Next is critical system classes. Medical device like ventilators and nuclear plant controls, aviation system. Mission critical system is, for example, is spacecraft navigation and military system, weather prediction for disaster management, and business critical system, for example, is e-commerce platforms like payment gateway and banking system, enterprise resource planning, and next is communication system is refers to the technologies that process used to transmit information from one place to another. Categories communication system, embedded control system, and command and control system, financial system. So these are the examples. Telephone switching, aircraft radios, satellite system, process plant control, medical device, automotive systems, air control traffic, disaster management, military command, forex, banking systems, stock market platforms. And their impact failures was communication failure affecting system and coordination, risk to human life, environment or operational efficiency, loss of life, efficiency in disaster or military response, financial collapse, loss of customer trust, and next is the computer-based computer-based critical system. It's a system that are essential system that use computer and software to perform vital function in sectors like healthcare, transportation, and finance. Their failure can lead to serious consequences, so ensuring their reliability and security is crucial. Next is socio-technical system. Uh, it's not just about the hardware and software. Operation, human operator and organizational process play key roles in ensuring the success and safety of this system. For example, is the air traffic control system. The technology facilitate communication, but human operators are critical in decision making during emergencies. Medical system. Doctors have overseas automated diagnosis tools, but making decisions based on their expertise and judgments. Next is the critical system failure, the cause of failure. We have direct cost and indirect cost. Uh, yeah. Indirect cost, repairing the system, The cost of failure in critical system often exceeds the initial cost of the system itself. Expensive hardware may need to replaced or repaired. For example, is the aircraft. Aircraft system failure may involve extensive repairs to avoid other component failures. Investigating the cost. Investigating cost, especially if there's been an accident or lost life involved, and loss of revenue. I, the, the system is out of service while repair or investigation take place, leading to potential business interruption. For example, it's like financial system downtime result in missed transaction and lost business opportunity. So in indirect, we have compensation cost. Compensation cost for individual affected by the failure, including potential claim for injuries or loss of life. Medical device failure may lead to lawsuits and compensation for victims. And next is we have legal costs. Legal costs proceeding related to compensation, liability, regulatory, and compliance. Redesign and changes costs for other systems. Systems similar to failed system may need to be redesigned to prevent future failures. For example, we have a failure occurs in air traffic control in an air traffic control system. Other transportation system might undergo update to improve safety. Next is critical system failure cost. Uh, Public reaction to failure of critical systems is shaped by high-profile incidents. Uh, for example, train and planes crash often generate more public concern compared to the high number of car accidents, even though cars cause more deaths annually. These lead to high-end emotional response and sometimes irrational fears around specific types of failure. Uh, Next is the critical emergent properties. Here we have reliability, the ability of the system to perform consistently according to specification. Availability, the system's ability to provide the required service where needed. Next is the safety. Safety for critical system. The system's ability to behave in a way that does not directly or indirectly threaten human life. Security. The system's ability to protect itself from external threat or attack. And lastly, we have critical system development. Critical system development is the process of designing, creating, and maintaining systems that are essential for safety, uh, security, or other functionality in key sectors like healthcare, transportation, and defense. It focuses on reliability, fault tolerance, and minimizing risk on ensuring the system perform without failure. And that's it. Thank you.